Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. On the Link chart, we see a 5-wave pattern to the upside still in the making. We have no evidence that the overall uptrend is complete. This overall uptrend that started in June, as I mentioned in the last few days, we still have space to the upside. My initial target range, which I communicated already months ago, ranges between $21, which has been reached a few days ago, and $29.25, which doesn't mean it couldn't go higher. I would never try to guess when an uptrend is over. However, it gives us levels to watch and definitely gives us levels where we need to be on the side of caution. Well, where in the last few weeks we've been watching rather for higher prices. Now, I think still higher prices are reasonable, but the approach to risk management changes, and we have now reached an area where a pullback in wave 2, which is the subsequent deeper pullback that happens after such a 5-wave pattern, after wave 1, such a deeper pullback gets more likely. But I have no evidence it started yet, and to be honest, it still should move a little higher in the current wave 1. So that's just the base case, still rising prices, because another 4-5 pattern seems to be missing on the chart. And if I'm zooming in a little bit, we see here rising prices, obviously, from this wave 4 low there, the 8th of January low, the $12.56 level. We've seen a wave 1 in a leading diagonal of wave 5, a wave 2 pullback into our trend reversal area, a third wave, which looks a bit messy. I think it could get another high. At least there's no evidence wave 3 is finished. It would take minimally a break below that green line again, which is the previous breakout point we've had here, to suggest that this wave 4 has started. We can take a look at that in a minute on the 1 hour time frame. But I would still like to see another 4-5 pattern. At least it seems likely that we get one. Most recently, the price reacted to my support region here. And again, because of that, there's no evidence a low is in place. Now let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. You see very high consolidation between the previous breakout point and the $21 level. Looks a bit like a bullish flag. I really don't have a micro count. They are unreliable. Okay, so I mean, if I had to give you one, if you're twisting my arm, I'd say that this here is a 1-2 setup down here. That's what happened down here. 1 second. Don't know what's going on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this might be a 3. This might be a 4. 5. It's technically full. I mean, let me just adjust this. I'm running out of wave degrees. I don't know why it's not positioning this one. It's a bit weird. Oh, I've got the magnet on. Okay. 1 second. 1, 2. Yeah, so basically the 1, 2 as basically the wave 2 as a running flat. Then here another 5-wave pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, probably here wave 5, then a pullback, and this is now where it's challenging because of that double bottom, it's not very reliable, but I should really position the 4 here, and then we've got another 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, again, is this wave 5, or do we give it the benefit of the doubt and it's just an A, B, C, right? And the wave 5 is still, I would keep the door open for higher, for one more high in wave 5 of 3, before then wave 4 starts, and wave 5 should take us higher, okay? But micro counts like this, micro counting, nano counting, doesn't really offer anything reliable and is very, very fragile. So don't see it as a prediction that we get one more tiny high. At the moment, I think the price action suggests it, but also the takeaway is that I think, most of this rally from our initial support region down here has probably been done in this third wave. Now I'm watching for a 4th wave. Support is still between 1883 and 1678, and then one more high should still follow. Now again, at the moment, I think I think another high on the micro level seems likely, especially as long as we're holding above that breakout point there. I mean, if this is, you might want to use the first Or can we draw a trend line? That's sometimes helpful on these time frames. Yeah. So we might want to use that trend line actually as first indication that things are changing. Again, we've got 3 touch points there. Yeah, that could be the first indication, really. Trend line, get that broken. Yeah, see if we break below the green line as well, which to be honest should be positioned here at $19.70 rather. And yeah, that would be first indication that the wave 4 started, and then I'm looking for support in this region there for one more high, possibly targeting 24 or even 29, which would be a stretch if the wave 3 is finished now already. But the higher the wave 3 goes, the higher the wave 5 should go as well. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.